it down a bit so it doesn't peak too much. Basically, this audio recording I'm doing right now for the channel, I'm going to upload it from a tape. So it's on a tape and I'm uploading it to the channel. I've done a few tests with it and I kind of like the sound, so I might do it like that from now on. And that also means that like I have a physical copy of the audio on this channel in a tape, which is pretty sweet. So yeah. What did I want to talk about? Should probably talk about the setup itself. So the way I've recorded this is that I haven't recorded it directly onto tape. What I've done is I've connected my computer to my audio interface, and then the audio interface output is going into my tape deck, so that when I play back this video, it'll be recorded onto the tape. And then what I'll do is I'll run it through my amplifier and record it back through the audio interface back onto the computer. And that's how I'll record it onto tape. That may sound a bit like, I don't know, phony, I guess. It would be much more like authentic if I were to actually record straight to tape, then rip it and put it online. I don't have a microphone to do that right now. The only microphone I have is my HyperX, which plugs straight into my computer, so this is how it's going to be until I get a microphone that I can just record straight to tape on. What else am I doing today? Just waiting for my VHS camera, actually. It's coming tomorrow, I think. I think it's coming tomorrow. That's what it said. Yeah, out for shipping. So, the new VHS camera that I've got is a Panasonic NV-RZ17, which uses VHS-C cassettes. And I plan on doing my vlogs with that as well. And I managed to get like this cheap video capture card so that I can just plug the camera in, record from tape, and then just put it onto digital. That's my plan for this channel, is that I will record exclusively on analog mediums, then put it onto the channel. How do I put this? Yeah, no. I think it just has a lot to do with the hip string thing and the Numa pill. Like, I want to like be able to create and record without the use of the internet. Or of my computer, really. Because, like, how do you put it? When I'm recording on my computer, obviously I just use Audacity, you know, nothing special. But I don't know. It feels I feel slightly distracted. I feel as though what I'm doing is not being fully immersed in the idea of recording, I guess. Because with this I can just go, oh, I didn't like that take, so I'm just gonna like just delete it and then restart at the beginning. But with like tape, you can't just, well, you can do that, but it's different, you know. If you spoil a take or something, then you have to rewind it all the way to the beginning and record over it. I don't know, and the aesthetics of the tape itself as well, the way it sounds, the way it sort of saturates the sound is really nice, and I really like to capture that. Yeah, that's about it.